Okay, so another fabric haul video from Fabrics for All. Really exciting. Can't wait to show you what's inside. So, first things first, we've got a nice little thank you sticker. We sent Royal Mail signed for. And on the reverse, we've got this Fabrics for All sticker. I'm going to open this with paper scissors, not fabric scissors. Do not want to ruin your fabric scissors. Opening plastic packaging, even when what's inside is fabric. So just slide those scissors along there so we get inside. And here goes. Okay, so we've got a tissue wrapped parcel. Always exciting when they wrap it in tissue. It feels so much more special. And ooh, a little note says, Alison, ooh, what are you making? Love this. Love, Sarah. So Sarah at Fabrics for All has put a little note in there. It's always nice. An enzyme washed linen, and it is I think 230 grams per square metre. I've bought some 1.5 inch elastic for the waistband because I am making the Style Arc bob pants. Okay, this linen is absolutely beautiful. £13.99 a metre, but it's just got a really lovely quality to it. And it's available in a few different colours on the Fabrics for All website. Hopefully you can see the colour of this on the screen. I'll bring it up to my face. I think it's a bit more turquoisey in this camera, a little duller in this one, but it's more of sort of, it was described as denim. Now I wouldn't describe it as denim blue. I would describe it more as a sort of turquoisey, tealy colour. And Sarah has included a free thread for me as well in my order. That I do shop fairly regularly with Fabrics for All. I have got a few different fabrics from them in the past. I know I'm never going to be disappointed with my orders from Fabrics for All. Really lovely service, beautiful fabrics, and good value for money. That's it from this week's fabric haul. If you've enjoyed watching me open my deliveries and found it useful to help you with your fabric shopping as well, then do remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more of the same, as well as skills building videos. And you can also sign up to my Love and Stitches Club, an online dress making club where we do a project for the month, which is what these are. This is for June 2021, Style Arc bob pants.